let's get gnarly. 1, 2, 3, let's get gnarly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm drinking water right now. And today I'm going to show you guys how to do the cut brow look. And as right now, I'm using this MAC Old Brown brow pencil. I think it's MAC. Yeah, well, I know it's MAC, but I think the color is brown. As you guys see, I'm just slightly filling in the spots. Like, I don't like really having them dark. I just want them to be filled in. And as you guys can see, I'm just brushing them right here. But I know somebody is going to say something about my brow. Yes, my brow is cut. The lady that did my hair, she didn't mean to. She did it by mistake. So, you know, it did actually help it more when she cut it. So. Okay, as you guys can see now, I'm taking this LA Pro concealer. I'm not really sure of the color of it, but it's like somewhat my skin tone, maybe a little lighter, as you guys can see. And I'm just, you know, carving out my brows. Basically, this is like a eyebrow tutorial, you guys can say, and a cut brow tutorial. But you guys can see, this is just how I do it. I'm no pro at doing this makeup stuff or this brow stuff, but I'm trying, and I really thought like my brows came out really good. If you guys think so, just comment down below, or just, you know, give this video a thumbs up, because your girl trying, she really is. Okay, as you guys can see, this is the MAC concealer that I'm using. Like I said, don't remember the name of it. You really don't have to use exactly what I use. Basically, just, you know, have concealer and a brow pencil of your choice, and you're in there. But as you guys can see, I'm just patting down where the cut is at. You can pat it down wherever you like. Before I had this cut in my eye, I made a cut like I'm doing now. As you guys can see, I'm really defining it. Now I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just blending it all together, like on the edges, so it will look all natural. In my last clip, you guys seen that I put the concealer that I had you know, first put on above and below my brows, and to make it a little darker. But this is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't subscribe, you feel me?